Hi everyone, I'm Louis at WM22S Smart Vending. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this elevator machine. When you receive the machine, please don't power on. Firstly, open the door. And then you see here, this counterweight is fixed by this metal plate. So the first thing, you should remove these two screws and take out this metal plate. After you took out this, and then you can power on. And the elevator will move to the bottom. During operation, if we find the elevator stop at the lower or taller position than this goods tray, then we need to adjust. Let me show you how. We push down the elevator to the bottom position and then enter app setting, click elevator. Here totally we have 6 floors of goods trays. Then we click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we click clear steps. Now we can move the elevator to the right stop position for each floor. Now, firstly, I move it to the bottom floor. Here, I should click get steps, and then I can do it for each floor. After this, and then click set steps. Now set successfully. Here I can click this scan goods tray. Here we can get the floor and the steps. And then we can push down the elevator a little bit. Here, close this page, and then we can do motor test. Now, for example, I test A24. Now the elevator will go back to the original position. Okay, finish.